Hello, this is Laura Darlak, and welcome to the demo for Anomalous Encounters, a Rails with JavaScript portfolio project. Anomalous Encounters is a public repository of extraterrestrial, supernatural, and unexplainable experiences. It's built with a Rails backend and integrates Ajax on the front end. It's a web application that allows users to record individual encounters that are visible across the platform. So here we are at the root path of Anomalous Encounters, and in the main section of the screen you will see an index of the most recently reported encounters in descending order from when they were reported. There's only 3 in there right now. And in each one of these cards, the details within the card, so starting with reported by and including the tags, this content is rendered dynamically, which is kind of difficult to see, but we'll refresh the page. And there you go. So within each of these detailed cards, again, we have categories that each encounter falls into, and there's only one category per encounter. However, an encounter can have many tags, which we see here. To highlight the dynamic functionality that was incorporated into the project, is easier to see when we go to an individual case. So we'll select this link right here to check out encounter 11, and very nice, you can see that we have not left the root URL, and the page was rendered with the show data of an encounter dynamically. There was no refresh there. And we have a nice extended view here with more details related to the encounter, so more than you saw in the brief summary. And we can go back to view all the encounters and go back to the home page here. And again, the content within these cards renders dynamically. Another feature of Anomalous Encounters is that we can access these categories. And here's, again, these brief summary cards for encounters that fall under the UFO category. And there's only 2 right now. We can look at, on the sidebar here, there's also a nice card that provides a count and the top tags that are on the platform. So it looks like bright lights and cigar shaped are the leading tags. So we'll click on one of these, and again, just some more information, summary cards. So we'll go back to the home page here, and let's say we came to Anomalous Encounters because we just had an experience and we'd like to record it on the platform. We can go to Add Encounter. And there is authentication and authorization set up within the app, and since we are not logged in, we are unable to enter an encounter, and we're going to sign in with Google OAuth implemented with Devise, and I already have an account. And we get a nice flash message here saying that we successfully authenticated from Google, so we're logged in, and we also know that because we have a more personal welcome here, welcome D. Scully. And now that we're logged in, we can notice some changes to the cards. So case 11 was reported by me, D. Scully. the logged in user. And now that I'm logged in, I have access to this edit encounter link and also the delete encounter. And looking at case ID number 2, reported by Yeti Forever, we are not Yeti Forever, so we do not have the authorization to edit or delete and then therefore see those links within this view. Alright, so again we came here to add an encounter, so we'll go back to add encounter. And the form to add an encounter, again, was dynamically rendered. We are still at the root path, and just the center content here was updated. So we'll just fill in some quick content here, grab some lorem ipsum here for the description, and change the category to fairy, and we'll add time shift as a tag, and we will submit the encounter now. And the form is nicely dynamically submitted as well, still at the root path, and the just submitted posted encounter now is appearing in the main section of the page. And beautifully, like it should, since this encounter belongs to us, we have access to these edit and delete functionality. And again, our tag nicely displays here. And great, we'll go back to the home page here, and our encounter was successfully created. And here it is, back on the main screen. So that was the main functionality of anomalous encounters. Thanks for watching.